Secondary Education at Palawan Polytechnic College Incorporated. Now I will discussing to all of you what is networking, what is the types of networking, and the disadvantages and advantages of networking. First, what is networking? Networking, also known as computer networking, is the practice of transporting and exchanging data nodes over the shared medium in an information system. Networking comprises not only the design, construction, and use of a network, but also the management, maintenance, and operation of the network infrastructure, software, policies. Computer networking enables devices and points to be connected to each other on a local area network, LAN, or to a larger network, such as the Internet or a private wide area network, or WAN. This is the essential function for services and communicate. Network facilities everything from telephone calls to text messaging to streaming video on the Internet or things or lot. Now let's proceed to the types of networking. There are 11 types of networking. The personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network, system area network, passive optical local area network, enterprise private network, virtual private network. What is the meaning of personal area network? The personal area network, the smallest and most basic type of network, a PAN is made up of wireless modem, a computer or two phones, printers, tablets, and etc. and revolves around the building. The second one is local area network. What is the meaning of local area network? Local area network connect group of computer and low voltage devices together across short distance within the building or between a group of 2 or 3 buildings in close proximity to each other to share information and resources. Next is, what is wireless local area network? Wireless local area network, functioning like a LAN, WANs, make use of wireless network technology such as Wi-Fi, typically seen in the same types of applications as LANs. These types of networks don't require the devices rely on physical cables to connect the network. Let's proceed to campus area network. What is campus area network? A larger than LANs but smaller than metropolitan area networks are typically seen in universities, large K-12 school districts, or small business. The next is metropolitan area networks. What is metropolitan area network? These type of networks are larger than LANs but smaller than WANs and incorporate elements from both types of networks. Wide area of network. What is wide area of network? Wide area of network is slightly more complex than a LAN. A WAN connects computers together across longer physical distance. This allows computers and low voltage devices to be remotely connected to each other over one large network to communicate even when they are miles apart. Next is storage area network. What is a storage area network? As a dictated high-speed network that connects shared pools of storage devices to several servers. These types of networks don't rely on LAN or WAN. Now let's proceed to system area network. What is system area network? System area network, this term is fairly new within the past 2 decades. It is used to explain a relatively local network that is designed to prove high-speed connection in server to server. Application cluster environment, storage area network called SANs as well, and processor to processor applications. The next is passive optical local area. What is passive optical local area? Passive optical local area, as an alternative to tradition-based Ethernet LANs, POLAN technology can be integrated into structured cabling to overcome concerns about supporting traditional Ethernet protocols and network applications such as power over Internet. Enterprise Private Network. What is Enterprise Private Network? Enterprise Private Network, these types of networks are built and owned by businesses that want to securely connect its various locations to share computer resources. Next is Virtual Private Network. What is Virtual Private Network? Virtual Private Network, by extending a private network across the internet, a VPN lets its users send and receive data as if their devices were connected to the private network, even if they're not. Now let's proceed to the advantages and disadvantages of the networks. There are 6 advantages of the network. First advantages of the network is easy communication and speed. Easy communication and speed. It is very easy to communicate through a network. People can communicate efficiently using network with a group of people. They can enjoy a benefit of emails, instant messaging, telephony, video conferencing, chat rooms, and etc. The second advantages of network is ability to share files, data, and information. Ability to share files, data, and information. This is one of the major advantages of network computers. People can find and share information and data because of networking. The third advantages of networking is sharing hardware. Sharing hardware. Another important advantages of networking is the ability to share hardware. The fourth is sharing software. Sharing software, user can share software within a network easily. Networkable versions of software are available at considerable savings compared to individual licensed version of the same software. The fifth advantages of networking is security. Security sensitive files and programs on a network can be password protected. Then those files can only be accessed by the authorized users. This is another important advantage of networking when there are concerns about security issues. The last advantages of a network is speed. Sharing and transferring files within the network is very rapid. Depending on the type of network, this will save time while maintaining the integrity of files. Now let's proceed to the disadvantages of a network. The first one is breakdowns and possible loss of resources. One major disadvantage of a network is the breakdown of the whole network due to an issue of the server. Such breakdowns are frequent in network, causing losses of thousands of dollars each year. The second is expensive to build. Building a network is a serious business in many occasions. Especially for large-scale organizations, cables and other hardware are very pricey to buy and replace. The third is security threats. Security threats are always problems with the large networks. There are hackers who are trying to steal valuable data of large companies for their own benefits. The last disadvantages of a network is bandwidth issues. In a network, there are users who consume a lot more bandwidth than others. Because of this, some other people may experience difficulties. Although there are disadvantages to networking, it is a vital need in those environments. People need to go access the internet, communicate, and share information, and they can live without that. What is the importance of computer networking? The following are the important uses of networking. First is file sharing. Networks of computers help the network users to share data files. The last is hardware sharing. Users can share devices such as printers, scanners, CD-ROM, drives, etc. Without computer networks, device sharing is not possible. And that's all for this video. Hope you understand what is networking is all about. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.